I'm so proud of this woman. You know what that means? I am
Proud.
super
proud.
super proud. I got her working now.
Yes.
Right now, I got to come
Working,
around
working.
you. Yeah, I come around you.
Yeah.
So,
Working hard today.
so right now we have the garden,
Yes.
and then what did you plan? What's the goal today?
Well, right now I'm just helping out as much as I can. I cleared away some old collards.
And that collard's from there. It was really good. The collard.
It was a collard
Yes,
bush. It was
yeah.
a big,
boom,
big
boom,
bush.
boom, boom. I think I want to put blackberries there though.
Blackberries.
Think I should get blackberries?
Yes, that'd be awesome. That'd be awesome. I love berries.
So you think
Blackberry.
I need help as far as
Yes. All the help you can get.
Yeah,
Or
I-
any help, any
but
whatsoever.
blackberries are I saw 3 feet apart, and then I saw the earth, a certain type of earth. Maybe you have to review with me and tell me what to get.
Yeah, yeah.
Anyway, I'm with Amira. Amira is beyond amazing woman. And believe it or not, we're a lot alike. Aren't we a lot alike?
Yeah, we are.
I mean, we have the same type of energy. Boom, boom, boom. She doesn't want to cause any trouble. She's boom, boom,
No,
boom.
and,
She's very
have some
mellow.
fun.
Boom, boom, boom. She likes nerdy men.
Oh
I'm a nerdy. Am I a nerdy guy?
I mean, you sure are.
You're
are.
a little nerdy
you know?
guy. You're a little
Yeah,
nerdy guy.
yeah, so.
Little nerdy. I used to carry a pocket with pens.
You know what? I do that at work.
Oh, do
I do
you?
that at work. I got my pens and my.
I used to carry a pocket with pens and
Yeah, you were prepared. You had-
prepared. You gotta be prepared.
That's like a nerd. You were prepared.
Yeah, I was prepared. Yeah, and she's doing good. You're a vegan, right?
Yeah.
Somewhat of a-
Some way. It's a journey.
somewhat.
It's a journey.
Yeah, look at the skin feel, boom, 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 rock and roll.
Yeah.
You know, people want to see you. People want to see you. You know that. They want to see. Boom, boom,
Well, I'm
boom.
glad somebody wants to see me.
So we got the garden going.
We got the garden. Let's see.
You have the hydroponic tomatoes
That's
too.
right. My tomatoes will be coming out soon.
Coming out soon, and
the
we got-
tomatoes, we got lettuce.
I was thinking, you need lettuce eat, and you want to go to Diddins again?
Let's see. Yes. Yeah,
You
we'll
do?
that. We'll do that. We'll do that.
So what I do is I take her to Diddins, and then I take her for
You
breakfast.
say, you say, pick out whatever you want.
I say, pick out whatever you want. I do
you
say
want.
that.
You
I-
say that.
I say that.
You
I
say
also,
that. And I still
go-
can't believe it. It's almost
and
been
then
a year, and I
and
still
then
can't believe
you
it.
still can't believe it.
I still can't.
And then I like the back, my deck. You say you can help me straighten the deck.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna make it. We put a lot
More
of
user-friendly,
pots in.
yeah.
It's gonna be user friendly.
Yeah,
We're going
more-
to
yeah,
chill
relax,
back there,
chill back
rebound back there.
Rebound
It's
back
gonna
there.
be nice back
Boom,
there.
boom. So we're good. So
We're
boom, boom,
good.
boom. We're good.
We're good.
Bye.
Bye.